Hello, and welcome to VirtualHub Setup. In this video, we will create a Kubuntu installation media, using which we will install Kubuntu on our system in the next video. So, let's start. First of all, you need a pen drive with 4 GB or more storage. Everything stored on this pen drive will be deleted, so make sure you have a backup. Now plug this pen drive into your system. We will use Rufus to create our installation media. So, let's download it. Go to rufus.ie and download it. Now we will download Kubuntu. Go to kubuntu.org and click on Download. Make sure you download the latest LTS version. Here we are downloading Kubuntu 22.04. I have already downloaded the ISO file, so I will cancel this download. Let's start Rufus. Double-click on it. It will ask whether you want to check for updates. Click on Yes. Select the ISO file you just downloaded. Make sure your pen drive is selected in the device selection. Click on Start. Make sure you select Write in DD image mode at this step. It will take a long time to write the image to the pen drive, depending on your pen drive's write speed. Have patience. After it is done, click on Close and eject the pen drive. That's it. We created a Kubuntu installation media. We will use this pen drive in the next video to install Kubuntu. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to VirtualHub Setup.